St. Botanica Moroccan Argan Hair Serum is best Argan Hair Serum for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. St. Botanica Moroccan Argan Hair Serum is a rapid absorbing and lightweight hydration boost for the hair. It nourishes, softens, and revitalizes dry and damaged hair. Made with premium, bioactive botanical ingredients, it penetrates the hair shafts and smooths the frizz. The non-sticky serum tames unmanageable hair with great ease. The hair serum contains antioxidant-rich natural oils and forms a protective barrier for tresses against the UV radiation of the sun and environmental pollutants. It rehydrates the dry hair and restores the damaged, brittle hair. Moroccan Argan Oil Hair Serum works gently on all types of hair to soften and smoothen the hair while giving it a natural and glossy finish. The serum is non-greasy and feels light on the hair when applied. It is a multi-purpose product that can be used either by men or women and works well for the beard too. St. Botanica Moroccan Argan Hair Serum is best Argan Hair Serum for hair care. This smoothing serum can be used as a detangler conditioner, heat protectant, styling and finishing aid for all hair types. Infused with antioxidant-rich USDA organic Moroccan argan oil and shine-boosting vitamins, this transformative hair treatment protects color-treated, processed hair. Penetrates deep into the hair shaft, adding moisture and protection against heat, styling and sun damage. Apply on wet or dry hair to speed drying time, mend split ends and smooth hair. Non-greasy formula won't weigh hair down. Seals the cuticle to lock out humidity, smooth strands and tame flyaways for sleek, healthy, sexy hair. Gentle yet effective, the hair serum is an exclusive blend of premium oils and plant-based ingredients specially formulated to effectively treat all hair types. This best Argan Hair Serum comes with organic Moroccan argan oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and olive oil, which makes the hair silky, shiny, and healthy. Provides deep hydration. Tames the frizz. Moroccan argan oil nourishes the hair. St. Botanica Moroccan Argan Hair Serum is best Argan Hair Serum for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.